Hi there, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns and welcome to Sewing School. Today we're on part 2 of our measurement series. Part 1 we measured women, and part 2, as you can guess, we're measuring children. And my lovely little assistant Caroline, can you say hi?
Hi.
Is going to help us out today. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we've downloaded and printed our kids' measurements chart. This has everything that you need, and you can even let your kids color it and it just becomes a fun thing. Post it on the wall, you've got artwork and you've got the information that you need all in one place. The next thing we're going to look at is what we're wearing, what our child is wearing. Just like when we measured for women, we want our clothing to not be bulky and kind of thin. For her, she's wearing just a basic t-shirt and some leggings. The next thing you'll notice about Caroline is that she has this, what looks like a belt, but it's actually elastic around her waist. What we've done to determine her natural waist is exactly how we did with women, and is we took this piece of elastic, we tied it around her waist area. She then moved from side to side, wiggled, moved from side to side, and that piece of elastic moved to the smallest part of her waist. That gives us a great reference point for her waist. So now that we've done all that, it's time to measure. We're going to start with her chest measurement. Now, I'm using the clip and slide measuring tape. You do not have to use the clip and slide measuring tape, but this is what we're using. And she's first going to start by putting her arms straight out to the side. Very good. And then, oops, we're going to find the fullest part of her chest here, just like we did with women. And we're going to clip it. Okay, and now we're going to tighten it. All right, now just like with women, we're going to have her put her arms down and relax. Take a deep breath, Caroline. And relax. And we do that because we don't walk around with our arms straight out and stiff. We walk around in a relaxed state, so we want to measure in a relaxed state. Now that we've done that, we either look at our tape measure or unclip it, look at the measurement, and write it down on our measurement chart. The next is the waist measurement. Well, we've already got where we know the waist is, so we're just going to measure it. Be still, please. And we can either clip it or we can use a standard measuring tape, and then we grab it, take a look at our measurement, and write it down in the waist area. The next and almost final measurement are the hips. Now let's turn to the side, Caroline. The thing that's important, just relax with your hands at your side, about the hip measurement is that we're going for the fullest part of her hip. So even if it's not at the hip bone, it's still the fullest part kind of the booty measurement. And so we bring our tape measure around, and we can either use the clip portion of it and tighten it.
Mommy, it's this.
Thank you, baby. We've got company. And we tighten it, and then we undo it, and we look at our measurement, and we write down that hip measurement. The final measurement that needs to be taken is height. It's pretty simple. You can either put your child at a wall or a door frame and use a pencil to mark it, and then you've got a lovely memory, kind of a keepsake thing. But for us right now, we're going to use the wall. And she's pretty trained. She knows exactly what I need her to do. So Caroline, go up to the wall. This wall right here. This one right here. Scoot over, baby. And what she needs to do is put her back up against the wall, and then what do you do with your feet? That's right. Those heels touch the wall. Now we find a way to mark it. We either take a pencil and we mark right here, or we just kind of hold our hand there, and then we say, Caroline, move away, out of the way. I then take my tape measure, where that mark is, write it where that mark is, and I measure all the way to the floor. And I have her height measurement. So we've done height, we've done chest, we've done hips, and we've done waist. And that's just about all you need for your children's measurements. I hope this was helpful to you and that you will join us next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.